Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico. In this video, I'm gonna to show you how to use an AI to pretend that it's you at your work. So, for example, I'm logged at Adele's account and I have an AI ready in my account, Ronan Vico's account. So, what I'm doing here is to send a message to Ronan. Hey Ronan, how the project 123 is going right now? And AI is ready to get this message and just reply something. And you can see here in the exactly same minutes, the AI replied saying something that is okay to reply. For example, it's progressing well, everything is on track. If you need further details, feel free to reach out. So I can have an AI pretending that is me while I can do other stuff like, I don't know, study or do other jobs, right? So you can understand what I'm doing here. I'm going to create from zero, from scratch with you exactly that same automation, but basically it's on Power Automate here using the ChatGPT from Power Platform. Let's do it from zero. How can we do it? First thing that you need to do here is to go to the Power Automate Studio and access the AI prompts. AI prompts needs the AI Builder license. So you can use, like me, going here on AI Hub and click on using a trial. So you can use a trial so you can test it and see if it's a good fit for your process and buy the license, right? So if you need to test like me, you can get the free license on AI Hub, clicking here at the top of the site. Let's go again to AI prompts, and here we're going to prepare a prompt that is ready to be me. So I need to tell the AI who is me and what I want to reply to those people. Okay, I'm going to prepare this AI. So build your own prompt, and the name is going to be this prompt AI pretending that is me, Ronan Vico. Okay. In this prompt, I'm going to tell the AI who am I and what I do and what I want as a response. That is really important, how I want the response. You going to reply a message from Teams pretending that you are Ronan Vico. Ronan Vico is a consultant that works in Power Platform projects. When you reply, you need to pretend that you are busy. If someone asks something about any project, please reply that the project or process is going well, and you will reach out later when you finish some important job that you are working right now. Much information that you gave to the AI, much better it's going to be the response, right? Let's test this prompt, but we need to send the message. So after I give this prompt, I will insert here the message. The message from the person will be inside a quotation marks. So I'm going to insert here inside this quotation marks the message from the Teams. And there is where we create the input. You get it? I create an input that I'm going to send by the Power Automate Cloud. So I'm going to add an input that's going to be a text. The name is going to be message from Teams. And I'm going to insert a sample data to test this prompt. The sample data here going to be, hey Ronan, are you available right now? How the project 123 is going? And I'm going to insert here this prompt, right? So the prompt message from Teams going to be inside this quotation mark. Let's test this prompt, but before I want to show you that you can change the temperature and the record retrieval and include links in the response. All of that is possible using the AI prompts. What I'm going to do here is to have a high temperature, because while higher temperatures would allow more diverse or creative response. So I'm going to use the higher temperature here to test it. Also, I'm going to change the model. Each model has different licensing, that's important to know. But let's use the Advanced GPT 4o and test this prompt. When I click here, we're going to wait for response generation. Check it out. The AI saying, sorry, I can't respond to that request. Because I'm saying that he needs to pretend to be someone and the AI is ready to not do it. So I need to change the prompt to trick the AI. I'm going to change. Instead of saying that he is a person, I'm going to say, reply like you are a consultant that work in Power Platform. And now, if I test the same prompt, unfortunately, so that is a trick that you can do. When the AI don't answer because he can't answer like you asked for him, you can trick the AI changing what you are asking. Okay, that is a tip for you. For ending this prompt, what I need to change here, it's that I don't need that message from Teams. I'm going to include here on the prompt, don't send anything less than your reply. Don't send message from Teams. I just want your reply. And test the prompt again. And ta-da! We have the perfect response right here. Now we can use the AI to reply to my coworkers and I can do other stuff. Let's go to the Power Automate Cloud Flow and build this flow right now together. So I saved here. Okay, I saved here. My AI is ready. I'm going here to create a new flow in blank. So I'm going to click here and click skip. Now I have a blank flow. The trigger is going to be from Teams, obviously. I'm going to use when a new chat message is added, and every time someone sends a message, I need to check if I want to reply to that person, and I need to check if this message is not from me. Because if I send a message, it's going to trigger the flow, and the flow going to run, and it's going to trigger the flow, right? Because I need to check if it's a message that I sent. So to check who sent the message, I need to get the details from the message. I'm going to use Teams again, and we're going to use get message details. In this step, I'm going to insert dynamically the message ID from the trigger. The message type is going to be the group chat, and the conversation ID is going to be the conversation ID that we have here. Oh, something is going wrong here. Let me. Oh, the automate's not going pretty well here. Let's insert like that. Conversation ID add. Okay, I don't know why the flow is not going well here, but it's the same of this conversation ID right here, okay? Now, I'm going to have a condition. In this condition, I'm going to check if it was me that sent that message. I'm going to go here and dynamically find the user display name or their user ID. I'm going to use the display name here just to make it more fast and easier, and I need to check if it's equal to my name right here. So if it's me sending that message, I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to reply to this message, right? So the condition is to check if it was me that sent that message. If it was not me, I want to reply to that message, right? So I'm going to insert here the prompt. I'm going to send that message to the prompt. So I'm going to use the AI builder. And I'm going to use create text with GPT using a prompt. The prompt that I want to use, it's that prompt that I created before with you. AI pretending that is me. I'm going to select that and insert the input that we created together. What is the message? The message is dynamically comes from the get message details. I'm going to go here dynamically on the get message details, see more, and find the message. The message is going to be, I want the plain text content. Okay, the content have more properties. I just want the text. I don't want nothing but the text. So I'm going to use the plain text content. What I'm sending here is the exact message that I received on Teams. Okay? I can add additional context if I want. So to that context that I already created with you, I can add more context if I need. But at this point right now, I think that I don't need to add any context. Okay? I think that our prompt is pretty good for what we need. After the AI generate the response, I want to reply to that message at that chat. So I'm going to insert the things again. The thing is going to be post message in a chat or channel. Post as user because I want to reply like it's me. I'm pretending that it's me, right? I'm going to post in a group chat because it's a group chat. We can do it for a channel too, but if you use that on a channel, maybe it don't work pretty well because channel it's where your team's working in stuff, right? We're doing that for a group chat, okay? So I'm going here on group chat and add the conversation ID, the same conversation ID that we use it here from the trigger, okay? It's the same conversation ID. Conversation ID, it's the ID from your chat. The message is going to be, so I'm going to send the text here without any HTML formatting, without any more text, just the AI replying to this message. I'm going to save this automated flow here and test if it is working. So for it, I'm going again to the Adele's account, other account that I have here, not my own account. So I'm here at the Adele's account and I'm going to run this flow because it's already on, trying with a message. Hello, Ronan. How is the project going? And let's see if my AI going to reply or if the flow is with some issue. Let's wait a minute here. Let's check if the flow is running. The flow is running and the project is going well. I'll reach out later when I finish an important job that I'm working right now. So you can insert a delay here. Okay, guys, if you think that is, oh my God, no human going to reply that fast to someone, you can add a delay. So after getting the message, you can add a delay. And after 5 minutes reply to the person, you can insert more condition. If it is my boss, don't do it. If it's any other people, okay, please use the AI. You can be creative here and build your own automated cloud flow. Let's test it just one more time. And please consider to subscribe and share this video. Help us to get more subscribers here in this channel. I would appreciate it so much. So let's test it again. Okay, but can you give more info about the project 123? and the AI is going to reply to that message. Let's check it out if it's going to work again. I won't cut the video. I'm going to wait to the response to check how much time is going on. Oh, okay, like 10 seconds maybe. The project is going well. I reach you out. So we can change every reply. You can give more context. We can do a lot of creative stuff here. It's just to show to you the power of the AI inside the Power Platform. And if you like it, please consider here to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this video until the end, please comment down below your feedback. And your feedback, comment the fruit pineapple. Comment pineapple on your comment so I will know that you watched the video to the end. It's a way of knowing who liked the video and watched it completed. Please like this video, clicking on the thumbs up, and we see you in another video, in another class, and please subscribe.